It is manual.
But can be malfunctioning.
Malfunction cannot happen. Once you open it, it will not malfunction. So manual open, always open one.
Malfunction is for this is a rare. Once in blue moon.
Yeah, but we have to take SOP control. SOP control. Okay. So after this, we are coming here. I am taking one string, coming here, coming here. Here you have got motor. If this motor, what is this motor?
It is air jet pump.
Give the switch in
For fresh for mixing as well as
Okay.
to reduce
So-
the septicity.
AJ. Okay, I have to take it. AJ number tech number क्या है?
AJ 602
601A.
1A
A oblique B, right?
and B and also 602 AB.
Is this interlock with the flow?
Yes, B.
No need for interlock.
Only if there is no flow in the tank. It should be closed.
In the system, if no water inside or no fluid inside,
The level.
yes, exactly.
So poor treatment, right? These trips, poor treatment.
Coming signal
Yeah,
from
pump
the
will
tank.
treat-
No pump, no anyone.
And poor
only
treatment.
pump will stop.
No, treatment is nothing. Treatment is there.
Okay.
There is no
If,
treatment.
no, if this trips, so what will be the consequence? If AJ 601A trips, what is the consequence?
Consequences you have more septicity and quality will change because you have settling of the solids
It
there.
will impact the quality, right?
Impact of quality.
Potential impact. Okay, I will take same thing. And standby is there.